In this video, we're going to install AdventureWorks database into SQL Server. You're going to want to click on the download page and select the OLTP download. Select the latest version. We're going to select AdventureWorks 2017. You want to go locate the file that you downloaded and copy that file. And then go to your SQL Server installation. So you find your SQL Server, MySQL Server, MS SQL Server, MS SQL, and backup. And then you paste your file into your backup folder. And now you open up your SQL Server installation. Log in. Now you're going to want to right click databases, select restore database, and for source select a device, click on the ellipsis and add your file that you copied. Click OK. Check that everything's correct, is going to the right place, and click OK. Now we'll add your database as a backup, and restore is successful. Now we can go and check to see if our database has been added to our server, and we see AdventureWorks 2017. And now we could use all the objects in that database.